Everyone, Matthew Stallone here, and I'm super excited to share with you guys our tips and tutorial series of videos that Sleeklens and I have prepared for you. Through these videos, we're going to take you through the step-by-step process on how to shoot real estate photography. Whether it's small homes or big luxury homes, I'm going to take you with me, and we're going to start through the process from basic flash photography to editing to processing and finally how to deliver your product. I really hope you enjoy these videos, and I hope you have as much success as I have in this business. So if you're looking to get into a new career and you love photography, these videos are going to really speed up that process. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy the videos. All the best.